Hi everyone. Today, I got this, but I got it, and it's my thing, and I got it from HEB, and because it looked so cute, so that's why I got it. Oh yeah, just go and unwrap it because I want to unwrap it first. But my mom is opening my thing because it was hard to get for me. But it's AT out there. Now I get to open it. It's in here. Oh my god! I'm gonna unbox it when we're done with the big one. Stuck is in this one. Ooh, snowman, snow girl, a snow fairy. That's it. And it's time to unbox. Oh yeah, I got this little penguin. Now it's time to unbox the huge one. Take it off. And I'm ready to, oh my god. I wonder which one I got. Oh my god. I got another pack of one. And squeeze slimy. And Mom! I got something that's cute. When I'm ready, I'm gonna need scissors. What? Oh, Mom! I can make a bracelet. This. It's time to cut this open. Two with scissors. Okay. I'm really so scared to look. Oh! Mom, I got a little poofy. I know, we didn't get to take it off. Let's take this part off. Oh, I know what it is. It's a snowman. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye. Hey everyone, my name's Ellie. Subscribe on my channel.